As I planned to pack my bag last year for a trip to the new country, I was most puzzled about the clothes to pack. Should I pack my sweaters or my t-shirts? So I checked on the latitude of that place. Yes, imaginary lines that circle the globe. Latitudes are also called parallels. They never come together anywhere on the globe and are always equidistant with each other. The first parallel is the equator. It is the 0-degree latitude. Latitudes measure the distance north and south from the equator. Thus, equator is the imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. A latitude is an angle measured from the center of the earth and is usually measured in degrees. The latitude of a location on the earth is the angular distance of that location south or north of the equator. The equator has a latitude of 0 degree, North Pole has a latitude of 90 degree north, and the South Pole has a latitude of 90 degrees south. Curves of constant latitude on the earth running east-west are referred to as lines of latitude. Each line of latitude is actually an imaginary circle on the earth parallel to the equator. Besides the equator, there are 4 more important latitudes which play an important role in the relationship between the earth and the sun. The Arctic Circle. This latitude runs 66.5 degrees north of the equator. The Tropic of Cancer. This lies 23.5 degrees north of the equator. The Tropic of Capricorn. This lies 23.5 degrees south of the equator, and the Antarctic Circle. This latitude runs 66.5 degrees south of the equator. The latitude of a region has a great effect on its climate and weather. The important parallels that we just learned about divides the earth into various heat zones. The different heat zones have different type of climates. Torrid zone. This zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The word torrid means hot. This hottest zone on the earth receives direct sunlight throughout the year. This zone is also known as the tropical zone. This zone receives abundant rainfall and has abundant green plants and trees and varied animal life. Temperate zone. Between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the south are 2 zones of moderate temperature called temperate zone. Temperate means moderate. The sun never shines on these areas vertically. Frigid zone. The area that lies to the north of the Arctic Circle and to the south of the Antarctic Circle is called the frigid zone. The sun never rises much above the horizon here, and these areas are thus frozen for most of the year and are the coldest region of the world. Thus, children, next time when you plan to go for a vacation to a distant country, do check the latitude of the place before packing your bags. Students, you can also check out other social science lessons through the links given on the screen. Thank you.